Hey guys, this is Ashish from Guiding Tech and I'm back with another video for you guys. And today I'll be talking about Photoshop alternatives. Now, Photoshop is the best photo editing tool for everybody out there. But then the price tag is not for everyone. I mean, it comes with a hefty price tag and some of you might want to look for an alternative if you are not that much into photo editing. I mean, see, Photoshop can do a lot of things, but then if you are not looking for those lot of things, but if you really want something very basic yet very powerful and professional, these alternatives are for you. So well, what are we waiting for? My name is Ashish, you are watching Guiding Tech. Let's get started. So the very first alternative for Photoshop is gonna be Photopea. And well, it's a Photoshop inside a web browser. I'm literally not kidding. It is a stripped down version of exactly same Photoshop tool that you can run on your web browser. So all you need to do is open up your browser and head to the Photopea website. I'll provide you with the links in the description of this video. And just as it loads, you'll get to see the interface that is pretty much the same as Photoshop. You have all your tools on the left and the layers on the right hand side. You can even load PSD files into this and raw images. If you want to edit some Photoshop files out there on the go, this is super easy way to get it done, especially for the fact that you don't have to download anything at all. But there are some limitations. First of all, not everything is available. I mean, it might look like an exact Photoshop replica, but then all the tools are not available. Secondly, it might become unresponsive because see, it has to load a lot of files. I mean, let's talk about a PSD file that needs to load on a browser. It needs to first upload it on the website and then open it for you. So it might take some time. So yes, it is time consuming, but one of the best free alternatives for Photoshop out there. So the next tool in the list is from Adobe itself and the name is Photoshop Express. Now you must be surprised. I mean, why is there Photoshop Express on the list? Now the thing is, Photoshop is a very vast tool and take me for example, I don't use all the features that are available on Photoshop. I think I just touch the tip of the iceberg. And if you're like me, you can go ahead and download the Photoshop Express. So all you need to do is head over to the Microsoft Store and download the application. You can now use it to fine-tune your images and edit them easily. With support for raw images and much more, Photoshop Express brings the most used tool from both Photoshop and Lightroom for free. It's definitely not for the hardcore folks, but for everyone else, this app offers a lot more for free. So the next app in the list is for all the digital artists out there. Now, if you love CorelDRAW or Photoshop, you're gonna love this one. So the name of the app is Krita and it's becoming one of the most preferred software for a lot of designers for its extensive collection of brushes. The interface is pretty similar to Photoshop and it offers support for PSDs along with a more advanced layer system too. There's a unique pop-up color palette and a massive collection of brushes. Also, you can even download and import brushes and texture packs from other artists to expand your toolset. So from an illustrator to a comic creator, this is a really good app that you should go ahead and try. Okay, so the next one in the list is my personal favorite and one of the most easiest available app for you. And the name is Paintnet. Yes, it is the Microsoft app for all the photo editors out there. So it offers a tabbed interface allowing you to work with multiple projects at once and offers all the tools available in Photoshop. The interface, while being outdated, is quite easy to use and pretty easy to adapt to. What's more is that you can even install additional packs to enhance its feature set. The only downside here is that it doesn't support PSDs, but if you can let it go, Paint.net is my go-to recommendations for a feature-packed free photo editor. And now finally, I've saved the best one for the last. And if you're really looking for the most powerful Photoshop alternative, which is available for free, the name has to be GIMP. Now GIMP offers tons of advanced editing options along with custom brushes and patterns, all for free. In fact, it is open source and has a wide community behind it as well. So you also get access to use collections of plugins to extend those features. Now here's the thing, the interface is outdated and The tool has a steep learning curve to it, which is why it is not welcomed by the beginners. But once you give it enough time, there is a big chance that you would never even need Photoshop. And just because how powerful the GIMP is and because it's free, I think you're gonna love it. So guys, those were the best free alternatives for Photoshop. Now, if you want us to cover similar videos, let's say for Premiere Pro or any other paid tool that you want free alternatives to, please sound them off in the comment section. If you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do hit that subscribe button as well. So well, that's all in this video, and I hope to see you in our next one. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.